Hello guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me in this new video. What we're gonna see today is how you can protect your website from bots with Cloudways. And they really have a nice feature that allow you to do that, and we're gonna have a look at it. If you don't already have Cloudways, you're gonna look in the description of this video here on YouTube. You're gonna have a link provided for you here that's gonna provide you with a free trial, but as well you can use this coupon here that can give you 10% off for your first 3 months on Cloudways. Okay. With that said, let's jump back in here and let's see how we can activate a security feature that's gonna help you against bots, right? So and one of the things that I like about Cloudways is really their simplicity on how they approach things, and it's the same philosophy that they use when um, they 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 they, they activated this feature here for bots. So the way we do it, we just come up here, you select the application. So okay, before we continue, that feature is available for all plans on Cloudways. You don't need to pay anything extra, right? The other thing is if you have over here 10, 20, 50, 100 application, your 100 applications, you can have that feature activated for all those applications. So that is really nice. So with that being said, you select the application, and once you over here in the application, you come up here to bot protection. Okay. And like I said, it is really easy. The only thing that you need to do now is just switch from inactive to active. And as you do that, it's gonna take a little while, right? And then it's gonna it's gonna work. So what it's doing here is activating a plugin in your WordPress website. It's activating a plugin that is actually called Marker. You know, you don't really need to know about it. You don't need to go deep into it, but it is activating a plugin, and what it's gonna do now is analyze traffic that come in. It's gonna show you the block traffic and the block login. So over here you're gonna see all the different traffic requests. So on this, because this is just um, a site that I started not too long ago, it doesn't have the data, but over here you're gonna see if I'm able to really quickly just let's go to slideshow to see that. So this is how it's going to look like. This is on another website that I have. It's going to show you the block traffic, right? It's going to show you the traffic that has been allowed and traffic that has been blocked, but as well over here on the other side. So I'm just showing you some of the traffic that has been blocked. A lot of it is coming here from the Russian Federation. So from Russia, that is pretty much known. Russia, Ukraine as well. I know, it's pretty much known. They're pretty big on bots and everything. So it lets you know the time, the IP, what is the method that they use, right? So usually it's get and post. It's a little bit technical, but those are the method that they're using over here, the path. And what you're gonna see most of the time, usually it is gonna be they're trying to send like a form. They're gonna try to submit a form on your website, and sometimes as well comments, or as well if they're gonna try to log in. So wp /login.php, they're gonna try to log in and try to get access to your website. So what's basically available here. You're gonna have access to that data, but you don't need to do anything, because what that bot protection is gonna do is gonna look at the traffic coming in, and based on that traffic, if it's a bot or not a bot, is gonna take the appropriate action. You can come back here because some of those bots. So you have bots, you have like bad bots. So those are the bots that trying to get access to your website. They're gonna try different combination of passwords to get access to your website, and that can stress your server, right? Sometimes as well, they're gonna make several requests in a short amount of time, and your server doesn't know. So your server that you have here on WordPress, it doesn't know, it doesn't make the difference between a bot and a real person. So once it gets a request that you need to serve a page or you need to serve something, it's gonna do that. But if you receive several requests all at the same time, it's gonna try to fulfill all those requests, and basically that's gonna crash because it doesn't have any more resources. So you have bad bots, and those are the bots that we saw there from Russia, from Ukraine, and all that. But you also have good bots, right? And the good bots are gonna be bots from Google, from Bing, from from different legitimate sources, right? From Google, maybe they want to see what is your sat map and all that. So you're gonna come here, review that from time to time. It's gonna let you know what are the bots that have been blocked, and you can basically allow some of them, right? So if you recognize one of the bot there, you say, okay, this one is a good bot. I want to allow it. I want to let him continue to do its work. Then you can do that. Okay. And over here as well, you're gonna see all the different attempts that have been that people have tried to make on your website. You're gonna be able to see here. So, but like I say, you don't need to go too much in depth into that. This is just a dashboard for you to have a quick look. But as long as you activate it, you should be good. It's gonna take care of it.